I'm Chef Steven Loh from Prima Limited. I am returned to my alma mater to teach a 2-day bread workshop. Returning to SHATEC to teach my skills and knowledge to my junior students is a very rewarding experience. This allows me to pass on my knowledge and experience to the next generation and help them develop their own skills and abilities. SHATEC helped me to develop my critical thinking skills, enhance my knowledge base, and prepare for my future careers. Additionally, SHATEC often provides opportunities to explore new subjects and interests, and to engage in extracurricular activities that can help me develop important life skills and make connections with peers. I'm enjoying the creative process of combining ingredients and techniques to make something delicious and visually appealing. Sharing my creation with families, friends, or customers is gratifying, as people enjoy and appreciate the effort that went into making the pastries. Baking is an art form, and working in the baking industry, it allows you to be creative with your ingredients and presentation. Experiment with different flavors, textures, and techniques to create new and exciting baked goods. There's something deeply satisfying about creating a product from scratch, seeing it rise in the oven, and then sharing it with others.